Welcome to Technical Drawing. In this sum, we'll draw front view, top view and side view. Now when you see this object, what do you see? Circle. So always start with the view which has circle. So in this, I will start with top view. So I will draw a circle in top view. After that, in front view, what do you see? Rectangle. In side view, again you will see rectangle. But let me ask you, how do you see rectangle? It's a curved surface, right? So there are no lines. Then how do you see a line? See this. So when you see from here, it's a curved surface, right? So this curved surface has no lines. So then why we are drawing lines? So if you see it from a distance, that curved surface will appear as a line. See this. So when you see any curved surface from a distance, it will appear as a line. There are no lines. So that's why I will draw a line. And I would like to call that as extreme left portion. So that's why I'm writing L. Right? Same way we will have extreme right portion also, where that curved surface will again appear as a line. So that also I will write. So in front view, when you see from here, you will see two lines, right? Same way in side view, when you see, you will see this extreme top and extreme bottom. See this. So again that curved surface will appear as a line. So when you generally draw, in side view you will get two lines, in front view you will get two lines. So this concept is called LRTB, extreme left, right, top and bottom. So whenever you draw a circle, you will have this concept called LRTB. So you will have four lines, extreme left, right, top and bottom. Now we have one more circle. So whenever you have a circle, there is no depth is given, so we'll assume that it is going through and through. We'll assume that it is through and through. So we'll have another dotted line. So this is again extreme left, extreme right. Same way in side view, extreme top and extreme bottom for that circle. After that, we can show axis line. Wherever you will draw a circle, you need to draw axis line to indicate that it is a curved surface. So remember that. And we'll do dimensioning also. This is how you can show dimensioning: radius or diameter. This is very important from the orthographic point of view, orthographic projection. Thank you.